Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the beauty and meaning of the English language. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is airline. That's airline, a noun that refers to a company providing air travel services. It's a word you'll often hear when talking about travel, transportation, and vacations. An airline is a business that operates flights to carry passengers or cargo to various destinations. For example, when planning a trip, you might say, "Which airline has the best flights to New York?" This word is an essential part of travel vocabulary and helps us discuss which company will take us to our desired destinations. Let's look at some synonyms for airline. One synonym is carrier, as in the carrier offers direct flights to Europe. Another is air operator, which is a more technical term often used in formal contexts, like this air operator is known for its excellent safety standards. These words can sometimes be used interchangeably, depending on the situation. On the other hand, antonyms of airline focus on other modes of transportation. For instance, railway refers to train travel, as in, I prefer the railway for scenic routes. Another antonym is shipping company, which relates to sea travel, like the shipping company provides cruises around the Caribbean. In everyday life, airline is commonly used when booking trips or discussing travel plans. You might say, I need to choose an airline for my vacation, or this airline has great customer service. It can also come up in conversations about loyalty programs, like, I just earned points with my favorite airline. Here are a few more examples of how to use airline in sentences. The airline announced a sale on tickets to Asia. We missed our connection because the airline was delayed. Choosing the right airline makes a big difference in comfort during long flights. To recap, today's word, airline, is a noun that refers to a company providing air travel services. We explored synonyms like carrier and air operator, and antonyms such as railway and shipping company. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using airline and share it in the comments. I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.